degrees of verb. So we have your base form, okay, and then your past tense, and the other one is past participle. The past participle. So these are the different degrees of verb. The first degree, second degree, and the third degree. First degree is the base form. Second degree is the tense for or past tense. And past participle is the third degree. So for example, we have here the word dance. Okay? What is the past tense of the word dance? Okay, it will become dance with my father. Eme. Danced. Correct? While for the third degree or past participle, since we are going to look at this one, this is a regular form of the verb. Pag regular form of the verb, mag-a-add lang siya ng D or ED. Now, for the third degree of this one, this will also become danced. Correct? Okay. Now, itong third degree or past participle of verb can be changed depending if it is regular or irregular form of the verb. Kapag irregular siya, dun na siya magbabago. So, for example, we have right. Okay, we have right. Ano ang past tense ng right? Right? Anong left? Wrote. And what about the past participle? It will become written. Okay? So, dun papasok si past participle of the verb. Okay? Sa third degree, we are using written. Sir, saan po ginagamit si past participle? We are using past participle of the verb kapag meron tayong mga auxiliary verbs such as has, have, and other. Had, what else? The others, okay, are, okay. So you are using, or were, was, okay, and so on. You are using the past participle or the participle of the verb kapag meron siyang has, have, or yung mga auxiliary verbs na tinatawag natin. So, for example, in this one, written, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin ang word na written kung wala siyang has, have, had. Okay? Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, Kevin written the memo. Okay? Mali siya. But if you're going to describe it into past tense, Kevin wrote the memo, pwede. Pero ito kasing written na ito, okay, or example, taught, yung mga yon, you cannot use them if it is in its past or you cannot use them without any auxiliary verbs. Okay? So, further into this one,